Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Daviana. In today's video, I want to walk you through step-by-step guide on how to list your business on Google. If you've ever searched for business on Google and saw it pop up with photos and contact info, that is exactly what I'll be showing you how to create for your business today. By the end of this video, you will have your business live on Google search and maps. Are you ready to attract more customers for free? Make sure you stick around to the end. Hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell because you've got more tutorials coming your way from Daviana Digital Space. Without wasting any time, let's get started. When you want to list your business on Google, you click here to choose the email you want to use. So you can change the email that you want to use from here. You can decide to choose any other email. You see it? You can decide to choose any other email. I don't want to use my business email for this, so I want to change to another one. The next thing, you type my business. Click enter. The next thing you do, you click Google Business Profile, Get Listed. You click on it. After clicking on it, the next thing you do, you click on Start Now. So this is it. Input your business name. I'm using Ella Tech Hub. So I'm using Ella Tech Hub. So category is internet marketing. So that's the business category. You can put your own business category. After typing your business category, you click on next. On this part, it says, do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store or office? Yes. Click on yes. Click on next. If you're not from Nigeria, you click on this drop down and then choose your country. But I'm from Nigeria. I'm choosing Nigeria. After that, you input your address. My local government area is Amak, so that is Abuja Municipal Area Council. I'll put Amak. My city is Abuja, so I'll put Abuja. My postcode is 900 288. So now, if you don't know how to get your postcode, you can open another tab. Ask Google for postal code for Gariki. You can do postal code for Gwagwalada, Gariki, Abuja, Gariki to Games Village, anywhere. Just put it here and then it will appear. This is it here. This postal code for Gwarimpa. All you need to do is to copy it and come back here and put it here. All right. You put the state that you're staying currently. I'm staying in Abuja, so I'll put Federal Capital Territory. You see it? This is very, very simple. Click next. Now, Google is asking you, is this your business? If any of this is your business, you click on it. If it's not your business, don't bother clicking. And even if it's your business and you want to list another business on Google that is not this one, you click none of this. Click next. Google is asking you another question. It says, do you provide deliveries or home and office visits? If you do this, you say yes. If you don't, you say no. So in my own case, I'll put yes. Click on next. You put the area you serve. Mine is Abuja Federal Capital Territory. This is the area that I serve. So I click on next. So the next thing is phone number 43. If you have a website, you can put a website, but this is optional. Okay, so the next thing you click on next. Now, you say select a way to get verified. You say Google needs to verify that you manage this business. Now, this one gave me option of phone or video. There are some that will give you one option, which is just video. So if it's video, you have to do the video of your location. It's going to be a live video. All right. So I want to use a phone number to verify my own. So I'll click on next. Okay, let me say text. I'm waiting for the code. Google has sent the code. So I'll click on verify. Yes. So it says you are verified by Google. It may take up to 5 days until your verification is reviewed. There are times that they will verify this instantly. It may not take up to these 5 days. But if yours is not verified, kindly wait patiently for your verification. So what do you do next? You click on next. After clicking on next, please don't do any other thing. Just click skip, skip everything. Just keep skipping. Skip everything. Skip everything. We'll customize this later. I have a video on how to optimize your Google business profile, so you can check that out. You see it? It said your edit will be visible once you're verified. So I'll click this, continue. You see it? This is it here. Once it's verified, you'll see a blue tick. See, it says Google is processing your verification. It may take up to 5 days. I'll tell you that this might not take up to 5 days. Let's say in some people, it will be verified in less than 10 minutes, 20 minutes, even 5 minutes. So you see it. So if you see something like this, that Google require additional info to verify that you manage this business, then you click on this get verified. You see, it's requesting for video verification. If your own happen like this, you open your Google business profile on your phone. That is, if you're using laptop, you open it on your phone. What you do is you click next. All right. After clicking next, you click. You see, these are the requirements for video verification. You read it carefully and then you click on next. You see it. After this, you click on start recording. Please don't click on start recording if you know that you're not ready for it. All right. If you are ready, click on start recording. But if you are not ready, don't click on start recording. And this must be done on your phone. All right. So it's a live video recording. Not that you record and send to Google. No, it's live. And it takes like 1 to 2 minutes. All right. So try as much as you can to get all this done in order to get your business verified. I hope you understand how to list your business on Google. If you find it difficult to do this, don't hesitate to contact me. Don't hesitate to send me a message and I will attend to you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one.